course, we have our weather deck that we are about ready to debut, but we have a little more work still to do. We have Matthew Jennings here with Lakeside Renovation and Design. So what else do we have to do?
What else? We have the bar top countertops left. Those will go on mid next week. And then as you can see, we'll be able to finish up all the final spots of stone and the sills. And then really all we have is one trip left out from the plumbers, get the fireplace ready to fire up, and then we're right there.
Awesome. Do you know when we will debut this completely?
I think we'll have one more spot next week, and then we'll have the big reveal the following week. So it should be, we're really close.
Great. So if anyone's interested in doing something like this or something similar in their backyard, how long does it normally take from beginning to end?
Yeah, obviously size matters in a lot of ways. So a project exactly like this, it's going to take probably 6 weeks, I would say.
Okay, that's not that bad.
Not too bad.
And so how long does it take to book out? Are you really packed right now? What do you expect time frame wise?
It really depends on, which you choose. An outdoor living space like this, we see a big backlog with material and permits, so it's probably going to be in the 4 to 6 months range.
Okay, awesome. We are very excited to have this on hand. Of course, the entire weather team, we will be out here doing our forecast here in the next coming months. Back to you guys in the studio.